how safe is testosterone? So let's start first with testosterone in prostate cancer.
The concerns for testosterone therapy and prostate cancer really came from the 1940s. Men who had prostate cancer, when their testosterone was removed, their prostate cancer went away. And so people thought that if you took testosterone away and your prostate cancer went away, the opposite must also be true, wherein if you gave testosterone, your prostate cancer is going to come back. But ever since 2000, really every study thereafter has really shown that testosterone therapy is fairly safe for prostate cancer. Aggressive screening is important, but I'm yet
or monitoring.
Yes, exactly. But truly just testosterone therapy is going to cause prostate cancer is, I think finally we are over that hump, wherein we don't think that it causes it. I think we can sort of put that topic to rest, and we shouldn't be always telling people that testosterone therapy causes prostate cancer.
Right.